quick step-by-step tutorial, adding a help desk phone number to the company portal app in Microsoft Endpoint Manager. 1. Log into Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Open your web browser and go to endpoint.microsoft.com/. Sign in with your Microsoft 365 admin credentials. 2. Access customization settings. On the left menu, click on Tenant Administration. Select Customization. 3. Edit support information. Click on Edit in the Customization pane. Find the Support Information section. 4. Enter help desk details. In the phone number field, enter your help desk contact number. You can also add an email address and website URL if needed. 5. Save changes. Review your entries to ensure they are correct. Click Save to apply the changes. 6. Verify in the Company Portal app. Open the Company Portal app on a device managed by Intune. Go to Help and Support to confirm the new help desk information is displayed. By following these steps, you ensure users have easy access to the help desk contact information directly through the Company Portal app.